Force. Force is described as an external push or pull that affects or tends to modify the state of the body once applied. If the body is in motion, it will come to rest, and if at rest, it will come to motion. The body's direction, shape, size, etc. may also change as a result. Example: using force to push or pull a door. The SI power unit of force is Newton, N. Laws of motion. To scientifically explain how things move, a scientist named Isaac Newton developed 3 laws of motion. First law of motion. According to the first law, an object will remain at rest or in uniform motion in a straight line unless force is applied on an object to change its state. That implies that the ball will continue to be at rest until an external force is applied to push it. Second law of motion. According to the second law, the acceleration of an object depends on the mass of the object and the amount of force applied. In fact, the formula force is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration, or F is equal to ma, states that force is equal to mass times acceleration. This also implies that a ball will travel farther the harder you kick it. Third law of motion. According to the third law, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. This implies that there are always 2 identical forces acting on one another. In that case, when you kick the ball, the force that your foot exerts on it is equal to the force that the ball exerts on your foot. This force is acting completely in the opposite manner.